My favorite electronic deadbolts at the moment, I like the BE-365. It's mechanical, very simple, electrical mechanical, very, very simple. 19 user codes, but no Bluetooth, no Wi-Fi, no audit trail. Just simple, easy to use, reliable. The Sense was the one I have on my house. Well, it was, it still is. It's a great lock. You can use it. It has built-in Bluetooth. I can, the free app that comes with it. I can see an audit trail. I can program it, but it's Bluetooth, so I don't have the ability to see once I leave the house. I cannot, unless you got Apple, but that's another whole system. It works with my Alexa, works with Google. I test them all with my home system. I got Alexa, Google, and Apple, and a few others I'm playing with, and this will work with them all through the Bluetooth. So the Sense is upgradable. If you get a Wi-Fi adapter, you can plug this in close to the unit, and now I can put this right in through my home Wi-Fi system, my router, and then wherever I am that has internet in the world, cellular internet, I can see what's going on. The newest product they have is the Encode. It's great. It's built-in Wi-Fi, built-in Bluetooth. The app is similar, and it's fantastic. This one can do 100 users. I would never use 100 users in a million years. And as a little bit of a secret, we have used these on light commercial. It's not recommended for light commercial, but it's that reliable that we've been able to put this on some commercial applications. Very light duty, but it does work quite well. We prefer the more commercial grade stuff, but it does work. This Encode, built-in Wi-Fi, built-in Bluetooth, automatically locking if you want that option. So in conclusion, you just got to decide what's your use. You just want something simple, boom, inexpensive, this does the trick. Middle of the road, you don't want to put in Wi-Fi, get this one. And then if you want all the bells and whistles, Wi-Fi, everything, this one with the Encode, with the built-in Wi-Fi, built-in Bluetooth. There are some other units that you can buy. If you have Z-Wave, a lot of the alarm companies are now selling their alarm systems or home automation systems that are Z-Wave. Z-Wave is very, very good. It's really reliable. It's older technology, but it works well. So these are my three favorite right now. Which one do you want? They're all good. It just depends, what do you want? As a locksmith, we're selling all three. We really like it. We really recommend them, and they're a great lock. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.